Ako po si Felix Morauda, dito yung operator ng Honda dito sa Robinsons na Balikes. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit na may 40 meters kaming nairan dito as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Capping. Head clean tayo. Head clean. Punasan ang wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system ay tama lang. Basing tank nalinis ng Friday. Use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Ito naman po yung inventory. Consumption. Nakagamit tayo ng isang powder this week. Ito yung nagamit sa sayan. Magenta. Black. White ink. Resin powder. Cleaning solution. Yellow. Film. Ito naman po yung daily maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.